Hey y'all, I'm going to do the egg in the microwave, the overnight egg in the microwave. I thought something was on there, it's water. Anyway, you just take 2 paper plates, some vegetable oil. That's a lot, but you're going to have your egg sitting in it, and then you can just pull the egg out. But you're not going to flip this, you're not going to do nothing. Microwave for 45 seconds. Whoops, you see it? The sun is bright. There's the egg. And wash my hands. You're going to take some kosher salt, black pepper. This is fun to do. The easiest overnight egg you'll ever make. Now my microwave is in the pantry, so let's go there. Okay. 45 seconds. Ooh, we gotta be careful of this. 45 seconds. Let's clear it. Starts popping here in a second. Okay. It took about 31 seconds in the microwave. You do have to have enough oil in there. Yes, I know it's a lot of oil, but you're going to take it right out. That's the only time you have to flip it. Okay. I think that's like the perfect egg. Now, let's cut into it. My chickens are laying good right now, so look at this egg. Ooh, look. Perfect. Overlighted egg. 31 seconds in the microwave. No flipping, nothing. Simple. Now, I will say that each microwave is different, so you'll have to just kind of watch it. If it starts popping a lot, you better get it out.